if you want to change language on the Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings we're gonna scroll down in order to find system, and then here go to languages. You should be able to choose system languages, and then you can tap add a language, and over here we can choose the language that we wish to add to our phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Unfortunately it froze. But now after that you should be able to move the language. So as you can see we have these two lines which we can use in order to drag the language to the top. So if you change the order of the languages, the first language will be the main one, of course, if you just press change over here. And as you can see the language has changed. We can switch back if needed. And in case you want to remove the old language, then we can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, select remove. Let me actually go back. There we go. So these three dots, remove, select the language that you wish to remove, and then this trash icon. Press the trash icon over here in the top right corner and confirm your choice. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.